No cure can take place except by the permission of Allah. And this is another important principle in Tibb Nabawi and in our Aqidah, that the cure comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The cure is not in that medication that you're taking. You have a pain, something, you take some Tylenol or Advil or any painkiller. The cure is not in the Tylenol or Advil. It is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the belief of the Muslim. We take these things as a means towards achieving the cure. But the cure comes only from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you may know, either yourself or others, sometimes you take that Tylenol and the pain goes away. Other times you take it and the pain is not going anywhere. The cure is only from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.